Welcome back to our new video friends. Today we are going to talk about how to disconnect headphone in Technophone. You want to disconnect headphone in Technophone, so guys you can disconnect your headphone. In this video guys, I will tell you guys how to disconnect headphone, and I will show you how to disconnect it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting, more connections, Bluetooth, and guys press it and come back. Then guys you can see disconnect option. You want to disconnect, so guys you can disconnect from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect headphone in Technophone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like, subscribe my channel.